channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I'm super excited because I finally got my Boxycharm. So here it is. Ta-da! So as usual, it comes with a card, and this one is the candy shop. It looks super cool and delicious. And I've seen people unbox this, and I feel like no one noticed the fingers with the blood right here and the scissors with the blood. I think that's pretty cool and very Halloween-y. Anyways, I got variation number 56. So let's get started. So the first product in here, it is the Frank Body Glow Mask Caffeinated, and I've never tried anything from this brand before. This is what it looks like. It says, glow on, I dare you. For bouncy skin, apply a thick layer 2 to 3 times per week. Massage into skin and leave for 10 minutes. Rinse and glow. So anyways, this Frank Body Glow Mask retails for $21.95. That's expensive for this little face mask. But anyways, I'm super excited to see how this works, and hopefully it doesn't break me out. I'm breaking out right now because I've been eating Reese's peanut butter cups, and every time I eat anything with like peanuts or almonds and all of that, I break out, so just ignore that. Okay, anyways, the next product here, it is from Ace Beauté, and this is the Draw It lip liner, and this is what the little box looks like. I got the lip liner duo set, and I did see a lot of people get these. I'm not sure if everyone got the same color, but I will see right now. So I think I did get the same color as everyone else. It comes with a pink one and a like brownie one. I'm not sure if it's brown. Oh, it's called Be Peachy, and the other one is called So Gorgeous. I'm going to open up So Gorgeous because I'm pretty sure this is the one that I'm going to keep. Oh, it's not even that bright. It's like a dark red, I guess. Oh, that's pretty. So that's what it looks like. Very nice. So I'm super excited about this lip liner. Okay, I kind of want to open the other one now. Let's see what this looks like. It's like a peachy color, I guess. I want to swatch it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it though. I mean, I could always give it to my mom, right? Okay, I'll swatch it. Oh, this is like a brown color or something. Look at that. Oh great, why did I swatch it? I'll see if my mom wants it. If not, I'm just going to save it for some other occasion or something. So anyways, this one I really like, the So Gorgeous lip liner. So the Ace Beauté Draw It lip liner duo retails for $16. So it's not that bad for 2 lip liners. Okay, let's see. The next product here, it is a product that I ordered, well, that I chose for this month. And this is a Farsali Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. So this is what the little box looks like. For some reason, it's like really bright, and it's weird because I don't even have the ring light facing me today. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. And I'm actually excited for this, although I do have oily skin. So this is what the bottle looks like. It's very cute. It kind of looks like those baby bottles or something. It doesn't smell like anything. And that's what it looks like. It's just clear. Oh shit, no, don't get out. No, 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 no. There you go. I don't want to waste it. And so I'm super excited to try this out. I'm not going to try it out right away because I do have another serum that I'm using right now. So once I'm done with that one, I'll begin with this one. So this Farsali Pride Quench Serum retails for $24. So that's pretty cool. The next product here are brushes, I believe. And they are brushes. They are by Luxy, and it comes in a little pouch. And it's perfect for travel, so that's pretty cool. Very cute. And here are the brushes. Look at these beautiful brushes. It comes with 5 brushes. So these are the brushes right here. They're super cute, and I love the lavender handles. I think that's really pretty. Okay, so this is a large shader brush. And this is a brow and lash brush. And this is a tapered blending brush. And this is a medium angled shading brush. And lastly, we have a blending brush. So that's what it looks like. It kind of looks flat. So I'm super excited to try these out, and these are super soft. So yeah, I'm super happy about these. These Luxy Wanderlust set retails for $40. Okay, now into the last product, and this product I'm super excited about, and this is the Ciate London, the Editor palette. This is what it looks like. The packaging is super cute. Okay, let's check out the palette. So this is what the palette looks like. It's super pretty, so I'm super excited that I got this palette. I believe other people received this palette like last month or something. Ooh, the texture on this is super cool. You could actually feel the like lines on the leaves. So that's cool. And this palette comes with 18 eyeshadows. Okay, so let's take a look inside. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already saw the palette, but so this is what it looks like. It does come with a mirror, and it does have a protective sheet. And this is what the palette looks like. It's super pretty. I'm super excited for this eyeshadow palette. It has a lot of beautiful fall colors, so I'm just super excited to try this out. I'm not going to be using this palette today because I do have another video planned out for today. So hopefully tomorrow I'll have time, since I do have school and I have a lot of things going on in school this week, so we will see. But I'm super excited to try this out. This Ciate London New England Editor palette retails for $32. And that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm. I'm super happy with everything that I got, and I really like this box. I loved everything that I got. The only thing that I didn't like was one of the lip liners, the brown one, but other than that I loved everything. So this box was really good in my opinion, and I'm super happy with it. So I will be adding all of these prices to see the value of this whole box. I'm sorry if the lighting sucks, you guys. I don't even know how to fix it anymore. Hey Google, what's $32 plus $40 plus $24 plus $21.95 plus $16?
The answer is 133 United States dollars and 95 cents.
So there you go, $133.95. So this box is definitely worth my $25, and I'm super happy that this box was great. So anyways, let me know in the comments below if you guys got Boxycharm, and also let me know if you guys got the same products that I did, or what did you get. Anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.